Welcome to my workshop. Today I will show you how to make these cool and super simple cosmetic pouches for yourself and your loved ones. We're going to need 2 rectangular pieces of outer cloth, 2 pieces of inner cloth, a zipper, and 2 rectangles of fusible adhesive to strengthen the outer cloth. Iron the fusible adhesive onto the outer cloth. Take the zipper and place it on the right side of the outer cloth, slide her down. Put the piece of inner cloth on top, right side down, even out the edges and pin them. Make a stitch right here. I'm using a special sewing foot for zippers. It gives your item a more professional look. Here I have the slider that's a bit in the way, so I start sewing a bit lower. I open the zipper and sew the remaining part. Unfold the workpiece and iron the cloth in the needed position. Make another stitch 2 or 3 millimeters away from the edge. It should prevent the inner cloth from getting stuck in the zipper while you're using it. Place the remaining outer part right side up on top like this. Then place our workpiece on it and cover it with the remaining piece of inner cloth right side down. Even out the edges. And make a stitch here. Once you get to the slider that's in the way again, end the stitch, open the zipper, and finish sewing the remaining part. Unfold the workpiece. We need to make a strengthening seam right here. Again, iron the cloth in the required position and make the stitch. Now pay attention. To later turn the pouch inside out, make sure you've opened the zipper. Fold the workpiece like this, wrong side to wrong side and right side to right side. The zipper blade should be facing the inside cloth. Fix it in this position. Now take a look one more time, the blade facing the inside, and fix. Pin the cloth together along the perimeter. Leave a small opening in the inner cloth to turn the pouch inside out later. Sew it all along the perimeter, ignoring the opening you've left. Here it is. First, we need to cut off the corners. Now look, we open the corners like this Put the opposite seams together by touch and mark a line 4 to 7 centimeters away from the corner, depending on how deep you want your pouch to be. Do the same on all 4 corners. In this case, I marked 4 centimeters, but later I always took 5. I liked it more that way. Pin them and sew all 4 corners along these lines. Here I've already done it. You can cut the corners, but I've decided to leave them. Now turn the pouch inside out. Now all we need to do is close the opening in the bottom. Match the edges together and make a stitch close to the edge. This is what I've got. Finally, turn all the corners inside out. Cut off all the unnecessary threads and the pouch is ready. Now you can use it. It's so cool, isn't it? So cool and so simple that it's too hard to just stop making these. Feel free to subscribe, comment, and watch other cool videos on my channel.